Hello everybody, Wifra is a web interface for remote access we have developed in Muutech to help your company to access remotely to your IT and network infrastructure through a click in a secure way. Everything you need to run Wifra is just a web browser and secure VPN connection. And Wifra can connect via console or remote desktop using technology already supported by your equipments like SSH, Telnet, VNC or RDP. And I would like to show you very simply how it works. We have here prepared a demo online. It's in our website, you can access it. And imagine your company has a network diagram or a network infrastructure with all your servers, with all your PCs, with everything you need to run your business. It doesn't need to be a Windows server, could be also Linux server, could be also virtualized or physical servers. And very simply, when you have Wifra installed, you just need to click on top of the server, remote desktop, and then the connection is established within the Windows server. Then you can interact with it. You are already connected. We can open stuff. We can solve issues. We can solve the problem, and then very simply you are inside the server. It works as well as I said before with Linux servers. Just click on top of the server and access via SSH. In this case, it opens a secure connection. We are going to log in. So you see here we are connected to the server via Wifra, and then we can exit it, and we are already disconnected here. So very simple. Is just you need to install Wifra on your server or on your network, whether on-premise or in the cloud. Wifra performs an auto-discovery of the servers in your network, and then the users can very easily connect to their machines through a cloud server from Muutech through a click. And if you need more information or you have questions about it, please write us, and we will be very happy to solve your questions.